In second part, we will discuss about the social, religious, and military causes. So let us talk about the social and religious causes. My dear students, British advocated many reforms in India such as abolition of sati, female infanticide, child marriage, widow remarriage. This caused discontent all over the Indians. Indians thought that British are interfering in their religious and social custom. Even at that time, the work of some Christian missionary created fear and suspicion. British introduced railways and telegraphs in India, which were viewed with fear and suspicion. They introduced Western education, but Indians viewed as an attack on the Indian social and religious custom. Added to all this was the policy of racial discrimination. Indians were treated with contempt by the British and were subject to humiliation in all walks of life. Now we will talk about the military causes. My dear student, this is the main cause in which the Indian soldiers were ill treated by the Britishers. They were paid very much less a salary and they were denied the promotion. Their houses were badly made and their boardings were also of inferior standard. In 1856, British passed General Service Enlistment Act. According to it, all the soldiers in India can be sent to overseas if need arose. Hindus felt that it was an attack on their religious and caste because, according to Hindus, it was taboo for them to cross the sea. So, all the Hindus were annoyed of this act. My dear students, Indian soldiers, those who were called sepoy at that time, they were never rise above the post of Subedar. They were unhappy because they were not given any type of promotion and extra allowance or bhatta for serving in the distant land. Now we will talk about the immediate cause of the first war of Indian independence, and the immediate cause of that war was the introduction of new Enfield rifle. My dear students, the British introduced new rifle to the Indian army, that is Enfield rifle, and the cartridge had to be bitten off before use. It was rumored that these cartridges were greased with fat of cows and pigs. This encouraged the Hindus and Muslims, as the cow was the only animal for the Hindus and pig was considered taboo for the Muslims. They felt that the British were doing this to defile their religions. So now we will talk about the spread of revolt. So when this news spread that the cartridge contained fat of cow and pig, the Indian sepoy refused to use this cartridge. Mangal Pandey was the first